Imagine this, you add a new customer data inside your Google Sheet and within a second that customer automatically receives a personalized WhatsApp message without you opening WhatsApp, without copying number and without typing even a single message manually. Yes, this is the power of automation, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to build this powerful workflow using Pabbly Connect. So the objective is very simple. Whenever a new row is added inside Google Sheet along with the customer WhatsApp number, this automation will instantly trigger and send a personalized WhatsApp message automatically. This means no manual messaging, no repetitive works, and no wasting hours sending the same message again and again. Now just think about it. If you are handling hundreds or even thousands of leads, customers, student clients or orders every single month, sending messages manually becomes extremely time consuming and frustrating. But with this automation, everything happens automatically in the background. Whether you run a real estate, service-based, e-commerce or any other business, this automation can save hours of your manual work. So make sure to watch this video till the end because this workflow completely changed the way you communicate with your customer. Now let's start building this automation. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and done the sign up process. And you know what is the craziest part? Once you do this, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing purpose. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to automate and integrate multiple applications and don't know any programming language, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This is especially for my viewers. So grab the offer by using my coupon code. Once you do the sign up process and select the application as Pabbly Connect, you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I am clicking on this plus create workflow button. After that, it will provide me two options, name as create from scratch and create using AI. You can also build a workflow by scratch, but I am going to make a smart move by building a workflow using AI. See, once I select this option, you will successfully come to the Pabbly Connect AI Studio. Here you just have to give one prompt and automatically your workflow is going to be created. So I sent a one-line prompt as create a workflow where Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Chartflow. See, it analyzed my request and asked me which Google Sheets trigger should start this workflow. So I select the trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Here you just have to only select the events. Next it is asking me to select the Pabbly Chartflow event that I am selecting as send template message. After that, you will see it will automatically create the workflow and asking me for my approval. So I am clicking on this approve and create button and it says that workflow created successfully. Now I am going to open this workflow and you will see I have my workflow where the Google Sheet is connected with Pabbly Chartflow. Now you just have to do a very simple setup. Just click on the application and make a connection. Here you will see it will provide me one webhook URL. So I'm copying this webhook URL from here and the steps mentioned below, that's how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account with Google Sheets. Now for making a connection, I'm going to take you to my Google Sheets. See, this is the sheet that I have maintained and I added all of my users record inside it. Now for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheet, you just have to click on this extensions option and click on this add-ons. After that, click on this get add-ons and simply search for Pabbly Connect webhooks in this search bar. Next, you just have to install this Pabbly Connect webhooks, and once you install it, it is going to be appear like this. So click on it and click on this initial setup button. Here I'm going to make a new setup. So at first I am removing the previous one. Now this webhook URL field, I am pasting the webhook URL that I have copied from this workflow. See, after copying the webhook URL, you just have to click on this recapture webhook button so that it started waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I am pasting the webhook URL in this field and I have entered the trigger column as J. See, trigger column is the final data column where the data is added. In my sheet, the trigger column is J. That's why I have entered the J here. Next, I am clicking on the send test button. See, it says that test data sent successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received any response response or not. See, automatically I received a new response that includes all the leads that were entered on the first row of my sheet. This clarifies that the connection between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect is working perfectly. After that, you just have to click on the submit button. And one more thing, if you want to send all of the users record to your Pabbly Connect by just one click, then you just have to click on the send all data button, and all the data that were added inside your Google Sheet is going to be sent to the Pabbly Connect. But I want that every time when I added a new row, then only the specific row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So to do this, I am activating the send on event button. You also have to make sure that the send on event option is always active. With the help of this only, the Pabbly Connect will receive the responses. As we have received the response, this means that the setup of our ticket application is completed. Moving forward, the next our action application is Pabbly Chartflow. Now, what is Pabbly Chartflow? So Pabbly Chartflow is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. Here I have uses the Pabbly Chartflow for sending a message to my user's WhatsApp account. You can also choose WhatsApp Cloud API or any other application, completely based on your own choice. After choosing the application, you have to make a connection. So for making it, you have to click on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this. Here I am making a new connection, so I am selecting this option. Next, it will ask me to enter the token. So for getting this token, I am going to take you to my Pabbly Chartflow dashboard. See, this is the dashboard. Now for getting this token, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this API and webhooks option, and here you can get your token. So copy it from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the API token, I am clicking on the save button. And this is how easily you can connect your Pabbly Chartflow account with Pabbly Connect. After that, in this recipient mobile number field, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Google Sheet. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field, and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this recipient mobile number field, I am doing the mapping of this phone number. See, it is mapped. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different contact number, different information. So for sending each user's message dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time you enter a new record inside your Google Sheet, this number will change. Next, I'm selecting the template from here as bulk campaign update. I have already created this template before inside my Pabbly Chartflow account. Wait, I'll show you this too. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chartflow, and this is the bulk campaign update template that I have already created before. For creating a new template, you just have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chartflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Here in this template, you will see I have used some variables such as full name, offer name, city, discount, and many more. And I added 2 curly brackets from the starting and the ending of this variable. Automatically in place of this variable, the user's name will come. In few minutes, you will understand this more clearly. After selecting the template here, next you just have to select the header type that I'm selecting as text, and these are not required fields, so I'm leaving these blank. And here you will see all the variable fields that are present inside that template. Now in each of these fields, I'm doing the mapping from the previous application, that is this Google Sheet, as the process of doing mapping is the easiest thing, and I want you to know that I am doing this as a complete example. You can customize this based on your own business. Now I'm doing the mapping of discount. After that, the business type. Next, the event date, and lastly the custom message. Here I have mapped. With the help of this mapping, automatically the data will change. After that, before clicking on the save and send test request button, I just want you to know that the contact number I have mapped in this field is a dummy number, and sending a message to dummy contact number is not possible. So for that, I'm removing this from here and going to enter my number manually, just only for the testing purpose. Here in this field, you just have to make sure that you have to map the real contact number that you were received from your previous application. It is very important step. With the help of this only, the user will receive the message to their WhatsApp account. And one more thing, the number will include the country code without plus sign. After entering my number manually, I am clicking on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response that is stated as success and message is sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, automatically I received a new message that includes my name as a Rohan Sahu, offer, city, and and all the details that are present inside this template, and in the place of all the variables, the real user's data will come. It is only made possible with the help of this mapping that I have done. So this is how it works, and I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually, you just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now I'm going to test this workflow to check whether it is working perfectly or not by adding a new record in my Google Sheet. Let's say I am entering a full name as test user, my contact number, one test email address, city, state, the business type I am entering as travel agency, offer name as skill booster program, and the discount I am giving as 40% off, event date as 30th of May, and the custom messages book your slot before the offer ends. As soon as I have entered a new record, now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. Immediately I received a new message that includes my name as a test user and a fully personalized message based on the new record. So this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. As our workflow is working perfectly, so I am going to end this tutorial. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing a setup of this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. Not only this, you can integrate multiple applications by using this single tool. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing workflow for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.